A very good morning to respected judges, teacher and my dear friends. Intelligent people surrounded themselves with people who challenge them. Myself Rishi Sahu from Poddar International School and I am studying in class 5th. And today I am here to enlighten you a story of such an intelligent person, Ramakrishna of Tenali village, who is popularly known as Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama was a great scholar and a good point of King Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar Empire. The king was known for his intelligence. The king was very fond of Tenali Rama. He couldn't do without him even for a moment. One day, for some reason, the king was annoyed with Tenali Rama. He was so angry that he said, "Go away, Tenali Rama. Don't show me your face tomorrow. If you don't obey my order, you will punished in this very court." In the presence of all the courtiers. The courtiers were stunned. They quietly watched the scene. Tenali Rama was hurt today to hear this, even though he was upset with this order. But he thought, for every problem there is a solution, so it is good to face it in a different way. However, he did not utter a word and left the court quietly. The following morning, when the king was on his way to the court, one of his courtiers began to poison the king's mind. He said, "Your Majesty, in spite of your strict warning, Tenali Rama has came today. He has disobeyed you." The king was angered. He said, "Is that really true? How dare Tenali Rama to misbehave in the royal court?" Taking advantage of king's displeasure, the courtier said, "Your Majesty, this is not the right way. He has shown a great disrespect towards the royal court. Ever since he has arrived, he has been playing some mischief. Nobody could stop him. He 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 he." The king was infuriated. He said, "Is that really true? How dare Tenali Rama? Does he think that the court is a stage where he can perform his drama?" The wicked courtier was very happy to see king reacting so angrily. "Tenali Rama will be in big trouble today." He murmured and unpleased. The king was irritated, so he rushed towards the court, and when he reached the court, he realized that the courtier was right, because Tenali Rama was standing in the middle of the court and he has covered his head with a clay pot, and the pot was painted like a joker's face. Tenali Rama gently tapped the pot with his hand and was dancing with the rhythmic beats. Ta thai, tak thai, ta thai, tak thai. All the courtiers were enjoying this. They were laughing heartily. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Eh 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 eh. And when the king entered the court, they all stopped laughing. The king was burning with rage. He roared, "Is that true? How dare Tenali Rama? Didn't I ask you not to show me your face? Why did you disobey my order?" But friends, Tenali Rama was very wise. He joined his hand and respectfully said, "Your Majesty, I have not disobeyed you. I have obeyed you. You told me not to show me your face. Can you see my face?" When the king heard his words, the king burst out of laughing. Ha 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 ha. You are right, Rama. There is no point to get angry with a joker. Friends, good things come to those who wins. However, the king was no longer angry with Tenali Rama, So he said, Tenali Rama, please take out your pot from your hand and please take your seat. With this, my story ends, and the moral of my story is, wisdom is the wealth of the wise. Where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you. Have a nice day.